Today we talk about how can you find your favorites on your Redfin app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse to find your favorites list. You just go down here, you click here on favorites down here, you just click on it. So when you just click on it here, it's gone. So when you click on favorites here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So down here you will find all favorites you have. Like you see here, I have no favorites yet, but if you have it here, you will find it in this list on your Redfin app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you are get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.